With RDS, you can easily change the CPU and memory of a DB instance on the console. You can change the instance class to meet your needs. RDS allows you to upgrade or downgrade your instance class. The change is complete when the status of a DB instance changes from changing instance class to available. Changing an instance class will interrupt services. Perform this operation during off-peak hours. This video shows you how to change the instance class of an RDS instance. You need to follow several steps. Step 1. Log into the Management Console. Step 2. Select an instance and change its instance class. Step 3. Check the results. Log into the Huawei Cloud Console. In the service list, choose Databases and click Relational Database Service to go to the RDS console. Choose Instances. In the instance list, locate the instance you want to change and click More in the Operation column and choose Change Instance Class. Select the storage type and instance class, including vCPUs and memory you require, schedule a time, and click Next. Confirm the information and click Submit. If you have chosen Maintenance window for scheduled time, click OK. The instance class is being changed. The change is complete. You can check the new instance class on the Instance Details page.